this is our quarter 4 week 1 group work by Kenzie, Berkeley, and Corbin. So here are some useful words to know. Site factors are factors related to the cost of production. So it would be land, labor, and the capital. And here's a picture of it. Situation factors are factors that relate to the transportation of a material into and from a factory. And an example would be a ship transporting goods. Then there's cottage industry, which is manufacturing in homes rather than in a factory, and this was popular before the Industrial Revolution. Then the forest production is when each worker is assigned one specific task to do repeatedly. And there's a picture of forest production and cottage industry. The three main industrial regions in the world. So the three main regions are Europe, North America, and East Asia. Some examples of Europe industrial regions are the Po Basin, the United Kingdom, and Moscow, which is the capital of Russia. So in the Po Basin, they make textiles, which is fabric for women. Also, in the Po Basin, there are many workers that accept low wages, and there is an expensive hydroelectricity. So the next one is United Kingdom, which is popular for the production of steel and textiles. However, the industry has decreased, and the country now invests in high-tech industries. Finally, Moscow is known as Russia's oldest industrial region. Then there is North America, and some examples of this would be New England, Mid-Atlantic, and the Western Great Lakes. New England industrializes in cotton production. The Mid-Atlantic is the largest U.S. market, and many people consume from the Mid-Atlantic. Then the Great Western Lakes, which is known as Chicago, industrializes in transportation and steel production. Then there is East Asia, and some examples of industrial regions in East Asia is China, Japan, and South Korea. So China industrializes in textiles and produces clothes. Japan produces goods that are sold in large quantities at cut-rate prices to consumers in other countries. Then South Korea industrializes in ships.
So choose a few transnational corporations and a few local businesses. So examples of transnational corporations would be things like General Electric or ExxonMobil. And examples of local businesses, specifically like in Conroe in the Woodlands, be things like Conroe Coffee or Piney Rose, which is like a flower shop.
So in what way do large industries impact the overall production for a market? So like large industries have like a really big impact on the market because they have a whole lot of money, so they can purchase like a whole lot of things and kind of like standardize-ish. They can standardize what like just they're selling, so they can sell it all across like all across the country. And so and it also lets people just buy everything that they need just in one place instead of having to going to this place to buy this thing, this place to buy this thing, and this place to buy this thing. You can just buy all of it in one place.
Okay, so these are our sources that we used: the textbook, our knowledge, and these two websites. The end. Do you have any questions?